Hi, I'm Maree.
And I'm Jacqueline.
And we are a mother-daughter team here at Maree Pigdon Sewing Centre. And in this video, we are going to answer 10 of the questions asked in relation to our new sewing course online.
So we'd just like to thank all of you for your comments and your support on our new online sewing course, Beyond the Pattern, Designer Shirts, and for your questions. So let's start. What's the first one there, Maree?
The first question is, who is this course ideally designed for?
This online sewing course is ideal for those who are intermediate or toward advanced sewer.
And what level of sewing skills do I need to have?
The skills that you need to have for this online sewing course are basic sewing skills. So you do need to know how to use your sewing machine and perhaps have already sewn a few successful sewing projects. So if you're someone who's never sewn before, then we also have an online sewing course designed perfectly for you, which is our beginner sewing course called Zero to Sewing. And that's available for online now as well. So if you would like to start there, that's a great place. And then you can progress to this new, more intermediate to advanced sewing course.
What shirt pattern is used?
The shirt pattern that we've used is Butterick 5526.
And what if I don't have this pattern and would like to use another one?
We do recommend trying to find this pattern, but if you can't, that's fine. If you are able to use another classic shirt pattern with a princess line seam, that'll be suitable and you can use that for this online sewing course.
What if I don't wear shirts a lot?
Well, maybe this could be your opportunity to make one and wear one. So obviously you can wear shirts buttoned up or open as an overshirt over a singlet or a t-shirt and so forth. Maybe you'd like to learn how to make a shirt for someone else in your family, or even to sell on Etsy or your local market. However, if you do not like shirts, you don't want to make one, then no, this is not for you.
What if I've never made a shirt before?
That's fine, as long as you've got some basic sewing skills already. If this is the first time that you'll be making a shirt, that's okay. We take you step by step through how to make this beautiful designer shirt.
Well, this is so exciting, isn't it?
It is.
Now, when can I start?
Well, once we actually release and it goes on sale, which will be another few days' time, and once you purchase it and get your access details, you'll be able to start straight away.
And how long do I have to complete the course?
You can take as long as you like. So you can either start straight away or you can take your time. We expect to keep this online sewing course up for a very long time, so you'll be able to access it when you like.
Now, what else do I need to complete this course?
You need to have a sewing machine in good working order, and if you have an overlocker, that's a bonus. And then you also, in the course, once you enroll, you will see there's a requirements list, and that will have what fabrics you need and the haberdashery.
Great. Are the skills I learn in this course transferable to other garments?
Yes, they most definitely are. So even though they're very specific to making a designer shirt, there's a lot of tips and tricks and sewing techniques, particularly around how to read and adjust the pattern to your own body shape, taking your measurements, fabric placement for designer touches and so forth. So once you go through this course, you might just make one beautiful designer shirt for yourself, or you might make a whole series, 5 or 6 of them to wear. But then also those skills, when you make other garments, they will definitely come in handy.
Right. Well, I hope that we've answered many of your questions.
Yes, so we hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have any more questions, just let us know. But stay tuned to our next video, because that's when we go behind the scenes of our idea and how it came to fruition in the first place, and a little bit about how we made the course.
I look forward to that.